We've got you covered front to back with FH Group's classic khaki seat covers. These quality covers are made of khaki and polyester materials, offering a soft, plush feel. These covers will fit most cars, trucks, and SUVs. They are feather light, yet surprisingly durable, and offers ultimate comfort. The built-in zippers allow access to all the vehicle seat controls, including center console and cup holders. The rear seat covers can accommodate both solid or split bench seats, and a mesh extension is included to cover the exposed sides. This full seat cover set can accommodate traditional and heated seats. Special stitching allows for side airbag deployment. The tag is easily visible and should be facing the door. And the bucket seat features a slip pocket at the back to keep personal items within an arm's reach. Enhance the look and feel of your vehicle with our impressive classic khaki seat covers. This full set comes complete with 2 front seat covers, 1 rear backrest cover, 1 rear bench cover, and 5 headrest covers. Choose from 3 standard shades and personalize your ride today.